Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Lafferty, and I just graduated this past May from Penn State with a degree in criminal justice and psychology. So I don't have tons and tons of research experience. I was required to take a research methods class in order to get my degree in criminal justice and psychology. I also did some research at the county level with a professor from Penn State. We focused on hate crimes within the county, within different counties, and that's how we gathered our research. It was only a semester long research project, so it wasn't too intense, and then I graduated, so I'm not part of the research project anymore. I think to make research a little bit more exciting for me would be the group work that we're doing. When I was working with the professor, there was 3 or 4 other students that also took part in this research. So it was nice to be able to bounce ideas off of each other and kind of just shoot a text to each other if we needed help or didn't understand something. And then after reviewing the syllabus, I am excited about working in a group. I really enjoy working in a group, in group work, and especially for the topic I chose to be a part of for the group. I'm interested in foster care as a profession, so this is exciting for me that I'm able to focus some research on it while working with a group. So I think it'll be fun and exciting to learn more about the foster care system. I look forward to the semester with you guys. Thank you.